Bonsai. Well, I think. Welcome back, bros. I hope you guys are doing well. It's been a while since I've seen you. It's not been for lack of things going on. It is, man, it has been a lot going on here. As you can tell, I'm in the detached garage. There is nothing in this thing. I finally got the rest of it painted. That was kind of the process. We got the 2-car garage door all framed in. We got the 2-car garage door hung. Oops, I forgot to take the tape off that part. Yep, forgot to do that. Huh, I don't have. So, 2-car garage door is in. Super stoked with how that turned out. The entry door has been relocated. Forgot to say this like always. If you're new to the channel, smash that subscribe. I got a ton of stuff coming up with the E92, the E36, the new project car, the detached garage build out. The reason I'm updating this today is I finally, after waiting, have the epoxy floor guys here, or they're going to be here. They were supposed to be here yesterday and finish it today, but since we had rain yesterday, they said they couldn't do it for some reason. Too much moisture in the air for the epoxy to cure or something along those lines. So they're going to be here today and probably finish it tomorrow. And I wanted to do a little before and after. And then I don't know how long this video is gonna be, but I may try and get my cabinets as well and get things kind of organized. But for now, I just wanted to update this because this is a really big step, the floors, because right now it looks okay, especially at night, it looks okay. But the floors are gonna just tie everything together. Right now it looks pretty grimy, pretty grungy, but the epoxy floors are really gonna tie everything together. I mapped out where my cabinets and tool chests are going last night, along with my air compressor. And then this section, like I've been telling you, I think I'm gonna do like a poker table, maybe some driving simulators, maybe like a skee ball or something like that. I'm not sure, maybe TV, fridge somewhere. It's gonna be a little chill / man area. And then this is gonna be the garage slash work area. I do want to relocate a couple of these lights, probably like these 3 right here that are going lengthwise. Probably those 3 I'd like to relocate over here, since I would like to have more light over here than on this side. But yeah, for the most part, right now we're just waiting on the floor guy. He's gonna come and knock this out. Hopefully everything goes smooth. They should go up to that ledge like you see. And once that's done, I can finally start to get all my crap out of the other garage, put the cars in here. It's like, I can't tell you how excited I am. This has literally been what I've been waiting on. So I'll stop talking. We'll wait for the epoxy floor guy to get here. I don't know if I'm gonna record him doing it, but I'll definitely do some before and afters. So fingers crossed this goes smooth. Oh, what is going on, boys and girls? It's been a few days. Last time I checked in with you, well, which was just 2 seconds ago, I was getting the garage floors done, and that has come and gone. They have been completed, and since then, I have really just been on a tear to get as much done as I can, or as I could get done in a short amount of time. So I gotta show you how much I've done. But first, as a little preview of how much I've done, look at that recycle bin. That's just from what I've been doing this week. Oh man. Oh, I think I may have shown you guys a project car, but if you follow my Instagram, you will know what the project car is already. I can't wait to get started on that and to tear down the E92, but first let me show you guys this. So, I believe I already showed you guys the 2-car garage door that we had framed in, and we moved the main entrance over, and it was the floors were being done last time I checked in with y'all, and now they are completed. I added 2 cabinets. I got a much larger tool chest. I moved my tool chest in. I installed this big old 96-inch shop fan. This is gonna be my area for like poker table. I'm gonna sell this play seat simulator and get like an actual like proper racing sim setup. So I'll probably get 1 or 2 racing sims there. And then over here will probably be like a TV of some sort. And I'm thinking maybe like a shuffleboard or something like that would be really cool. I love games like that. And then maybe like a fridge on this wall or something along those lines. But dude, first off, I'm completely exhausted from everything that I've done in here over the past week or so. The guys knocked out the floor fairly quickly. They came on a Saturday, did like sanding, then like put the adhesive stuff down, then threw the flake, blah, blah, blah. And then the next day they came and they put the top coat on it. Oh, I guess I should turn on the lights too, even though there's more than enough light in here. I am going to replace these shop lights with the hex lights. And the reason I'm gonna do that is if you look over here, this was a section of the garage that wasn't really used before this. There's only 2 lights here. It still lights it up enough, but over here I don't need all these lights. So what I'm gonna do is this row right here, I'm going to remove and relocate over here and probably leave, I may remove those 2 and get like a little drop down like I don't know, old school like card room light, or like something you would see in like a pool hall or something like that. Something to just make it kind of feel like that's the man cave section. So again, that's going to be the poker room, and then this is going to be, or poker room, sim room, whatever you want to call it. And then over here is going to be where we get the work done. So over here is going to be where I dropped the engine out of the new car, which I keep just wanting to give that away. I got to replace the radiator, and I got, for the E92, I got the whole CSF cooling kit, the upgraded cooling kit. So I have the oil cooler, the DCT cooler, which even though I'm manual, you still use. The new CFS radiator, a new OEM fan, which if you don't have to get an OEM fan, that's awesome. But if you do, gosh dang, those are expensive. And there's really no replacement that I've found. But yeah, I mean, little walkthrough of things. I got my air compressor hooked up. Right now I have my quick jacks over there, but this is kind of cool. Kind of cool little view. I mean, our neighborhood's kind of cool where we all have about an acre plus or so. So it's a cool view. And then in here, this is, I'm gonna get a couple more shelves. These only came with 2 shelves, but I have my oils. There's no gas in those. I don't know about storing gas in an enclosed container, even though it's not like airtight. I just don't want to put gas in there. But then I have all my oils and everything like that. In this one, and then in this one, I haven't organized this one yet. I've kind of organized the middle section. The bottom, this box is all just parts, just random parts. Throttle pedals, what else is in there? There's so many random things in there. These are E92 parts. This is something for the E36 to cover up the fuel filter. I have my yellow fogs in here because I'm not running those right now. Some goodies from M Sport Parts, shout out Brett. The Techstar, the OEM pads for the E92 that I'm trying to burn up in track days. And then I got the detailing stuff, the cleaners, you know, some spray paint. And then up here is going to be my detail section, my detailing cleaning supplies section. And then up here I have 2 boxes filled with these really nice red microfibers that I ordered a long time ago actually. I ordered a shop vac. I'm gonna keep my my jack stands over here, even though I don't really use them as much anymore. Then I actually, with both these, the cabinets and this tool chest, I found a company, and I don't know if this is something that y'all will have, or everyone has close to them, but I found a company that buys Home Depot containers. So like returns, overstock, some scratch and dent, but most of it that I saw was pretty much brand new. And they give you like between 30 and 50% off. So I got these cabinets and this tool chest for like 35% off, something like that. And they were literally brand new. They came in brand new packaging. Like it's awesome. So got this. I've slowly been organizing. I kind of have things organized in this. This is like, that drawer's stupid. This is kind of like, I don't know, my tool chest of where like things in boxes go. So I have that all organized, and then this is my old tool chest, which I'm gonna hang on to for right now because I don't want to A, spend any more money, and B, I think when I do get more tools, what I'd like to do is get a toolbox and like cutout, like inserts for the tools. And some of those are kind of all-in-one type of deals. Like Sonic, if you go to Sonic's website, you can get tool chests filled with tools, and they have their holder, like the foam cutouts for all those tools as well. Really cool, really expensive, so I don't need to do it now, especially since I got so much going on in here. But eventually, that's the goal. Got to make goals happen. So I think right now, I just wanted to show you guys this before I bring a car in here, because I think I can start to actually move a car into here, because I still have to clean out the other garage as well. The other garage is packed full of crap. So I need to bring the cars over here to make room in that other garage. So I think I can bring the E36 in here. I'm gonna go snag it. I'm so stoked. Oh man, so cool. Dude, I've wanted a detached garage or like a man cave slash like workshop for so long. This is like, dude, I'm so jacked about this. So eventually what's gonna need to be done is I need to move my wife's planter, because that doesn't need to be here. The truck is obviously not supposed to be here, but I unloaded that big old toolbox there, and I need all the room I can to make my 5-point turn or whatever it is that I have to do. So eventually it won't be so tight, but what I would like to do is extend the cement slab maybe an additional like 10-20 feet, something like that, just to make it a little easier. But that will come in time. For now, I am so stoked. Oh man. I mean, seriously, this has been the goal for a long time, since way before I started YouTube. I've always wanted a detached garage, a workshop, a man cave, a place to do these types of builds. So I couldn't be more happy. I couldn't be happier with how this has turned out. Still a long way to go, but it is definitely getting there. So I'm gonna end this one here. I know it's short, but man, stick around guys. There's a lot coming up. So I hope you guys are doing well. I'll see you in the future. Peace. All right, I had to film again because, hold on. This is so cool. Can you even see? It looks dark, but I think you get the gist. Dude, I am so freaking jacked. Oh man. I mean, that's it for me. There we go. Oh, now I can start to tear down the E92. Anyway, I just had to show you guys both of them in there. I'll see you on the next video.